4,000 feet.
That's the reflection of our
The island
plane
of
down
Oahu
there.
is the third largest island of the 8 main Hawaiian islands. However, there are over 132 islands in the Hawaiian archipelago. The state population is a little over 1 million, and 80% of that resides here on this island alone.
My favorite island, hands down.
See the canal right there?
Yep.
Zoom in right there. Diamond Head. That was a good view right there, Diamond Head.
And coming up on the right-hand side of the aircraft along the coastline, if you can make out a crater, this is Mount Leahi, or better known to some of you as Diamond Head.
Famous Diamond Head crater. We're coming in a different way we normally do. Wow, look at that. There it is, Moana.
That's my jetty. That's my Sheridan Moana.
There's our playground right there.
And once again on the right-hand side, the first stretch of beach that we come to, this is the Waikiki Beach Resort area. If you follow the coastline, the next will be the Alawai Yacht Harbor, followed by the Ala Moana Beach Park, and then the Aloha Tower, which at one time was the tallest building on this island, and then our destination being Honolulu Airport.
How blue that water is. Probably be about 1,000 feet now. Should be landing any minute. That's where they film some Hawaii 5.0 episodes down there on the docks. About 200 feet off the ground now. Let's hope for a smooth landing. Much smoother landing than our last flight earlier today in San Francisco, that's for sure, folks. So we are here in Honolulu, Hawaii, about to enjoy our vacation.